Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Global Wetland Outlook. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. Africa's wetlands are among the most degraded globally, primarily due to urbanization, industrialization, and infrastructure development. The 2025 Global Wetland Outlook stresses the urgent need for conservation and restoration to reverse the damage and provide socio-economic benefits to local communities. Now let's discuss about Global Wetland Outlook 2025. The 2025 Global Wetland Outlook is the most comprehensive assessment of wetlands worldwide, detailing their current state, value, and future. Produced by the Scientific and Technical Review Panel of the Convention on Wetlands, the report provides the latest data on the extent of wetlands and trends in their degradation. The report evaluates 11 broad wetland types, including seagrass, kelp forests, coral reefs, estuarine waters, salt marshes, mangroves, tidal flats, lakes, rivers and streams, inland marshes and swamps, and peatlands, mires. It also highlights the ecosystem services they provide and outlines the necessary actions for their restoration and conservation. Its goal is to inform policy, guide investments, and promote coordinated action for wetland conservation. Now let's talk about Convention on Wetlands. The Convention on Wetlands is the only international treaty dedicated to wetlands, bringing together 172 contracting parties for collaborative efforts in conservation and wise use. These parties are committed to maintaining the ecological character of over 2,530 wetlands of international importance, covering around 2.58 million square kilometers. The Convention's Secretariat is based in Gland, Switzerland. Now lastly, moving on to key highlights of report restoration of wetlands is essential, but prevention is more cost-effective, as once degraded, wetlands are difficult and expensive to restore. The 2025 Global Wetland Outlook calls for a shift towards proactive policies, cross-sector solutions, and mobilizing substantial financial resources for wetlands conservation. The outlook emphasizes valuing nature in decision-making and securing wetlands within the global water cycle, alongside innovative financial solutions to attract both public and private investment. Wetlands play a crucial role in achieving the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, the Sustainable Development Goals, and a net-zero, climate-resilient world. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Global Wetland Outlook 2025. Report. 1. The report was released by the United Nations Environment Programme. 2. The report evaluates 11 broad wetland types, including seagrass, kelp forests, coral reefs, and peatlands. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.